What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, another short video for you guys on my wife's car today. And we are replacing, from the last video you guys saw, you saw me replacing the cabin filter in my Subaru. So today, we are gonna be replacing the cabin filter on her 2013 Kia Sportage. Now guys, if you guys have been following my channel, this car has approximately 220,000 miles. Very well maintained. And I want to show you today that to change the cabin filter on this car is even easier than my Subaru, and you don't even need any tools. It's pretty freaking cool. So let's just jump right into it. This cabin filter, compared to my last cabin filter that I put in the Subaru, it actually has the Arm & Hammer odor eliminator added to it. So this does have activated carbon as well, but this is the part number right here. This is a 2013. I remember all these things are exact fit. Now, as I said in the last video, most cabin filters are behind the glove box. Now, once you pop the glove box, get rid of some of that junk. It's so easy. See this tab right here? There's one on this side, one right here on that side. I don't know if you can see it, a little glare, there we go, right here. So all you're doing, you turn these tabs counterclockwise, okay? That's one. Two. And what'll happen is the glove box is gonna hang, and what'll happen, it'll slip out. This little resistance piston is gonna end up slipping out because this glove box is heavy. Or what you can do first, you could either take the piston out. All you just gotta do is squeeze those two tabs right here, squeeze them with your finger, and just pop them out. I'll show you real quick. You squeeze the ends right here, and you pop the piston out like that. You could do that first or second, it doesn't really matter. And then you'll see the glove box hanging down just like so. Now, obviously everything is gonna fall out, so just to be prepared for that. So guys, once you pop this piston out, and obviously those two plugs on either side, the glove box is definitely just gonna hang, and obviously everything is gonna fall out. Now, once we're in here, on the right side, there's a pinch tab. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. It's in here. There's a pinch tab on the right-hand side all the way up there. And it just literally just opens like a little gate. This is it right here. This is the pinch tab. So you're pretty much squeezing or pinching this, pressing this right here, and you're pulling it away. And see how it says right here, open. And they have two arrows in here telling you to squeeze. And there's the cabin filter. Let me tell you, this shit is dirty. Oh my God, you guys are in for a freaking treat, dude. In for a treat. This is dirty. Oh my God. Damn, like branches and shit in here. Yo, this is wild. Look at this. Damn, this shit is wild. Now there's an arrow right here saying down on the cabin filter, so obviously this side here down. See the arrow? Yo, this thing is no joke, man. I gotta talk to her. This thing is so bad. It's so clogged up. Oh my God, dude. All right, let's get the new one out. Okay, so once you get the new filter out, obviously you could tell the difference. My God, that old one is pretty bad. And there is one arrow, it'll show you the part number where it's made, and you'll see that down arrow. So this is the side, this under here, that's the down part. So just slide that bad boy in like a disc. Super easy. Exact fit. So this end goes into, there's a space over here, goes into that tab, and you just push that in until you hear the two clicks, And that's it, and we're done. Super easy. Now all you got to do, you put the piston back like so. Put the piston back. There's no weight in here, so it's holding instead of slipping out. And now we get our plugs, move it back up. You got to move it back. If you look over here, oh man, this glare is annoying. So we got to move it back where we could see. Yep, see where that other hole is? Right there. You move it back there, and that's where you put the plug in. Click, tightens. There you go. And obviously put all your stuff back in your glove box, and the end. Guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Guys, you know what to do. This is a super easy install on this. Look at the condition of this thing. Oh my God. And this has been changed before. Oh my goodness. But my wife does do a lot more driving than I do, so yeah, par for the course. Anyway, guys, as long as you're paying attention to this, I told you in the last video the reasons you definitely want to change your cabin filter so you have a better functioning HVAC system. Definitely to eliminate allergens and different types of smells coming into the car. The activated carbon in this, the Arm & Hammer stuff, helps eliminate all those odors as well. As I said, like, subscribe, comment. Guys, you know what to do. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys soon. That's my time. Take it easy.